Aloha and greetings, everybody. This is Master Sio. I'm a master of medical QiGong as well as a Hawaiian kahuna healer. I practice the art of QiGong combined with unconditional love in the ancient tradition of the Hawaiians and others in the Pacific region. Qigong consists of two words, chi and gong. Qi means energy, gong means the cultivation or practice of moving that energy. Qi is also known as prana in ancient India and mana in the islands of Hawaii, Tahiti, New Zealand, New Guinea, Tonga, Samoa, and elsewhere in the South Pacific. Wherever this practice took place, the objective was to uplift one's physical abilities or good health, as well as to grow spiritually and to apply this chi practice to help yourself and others as well. There are many forms of Qigong practiced throughout the world. Most involve some meditation, some kinds of breathing to uplift your health as well as your spiritual development. Tai Chi is often confused with Qigong. To put it briefly, most experts believe that Tai Chi, as remarkable as it is actually a variation or an offshoot of the original QiGong. There are other forms of QiGong that look very, very different from Tai Chi. They involve slow movements, very simple, and done repeatedly. It is known that the cultivation of chi or mana or prana involves slow movements. It is quite dissimilar to, say, rapid aerobics movements. Some of the movements of chi, as in Qigong, or the movements of prana or mana, may include drawing a bowstring and letting arrows fly, certain looks of animal totems, punching the air, massaging parts of your fingers or your toes, different kinds of stretches. All of these are designed to make your energy flow more smoothly and more vigorously through the channels of energy known as meridians. When your chi is blocked, it may give rise to illness, and it may stop or impede or slow down your spiritual development and healing capabilities. Is it just a form of exercise, or is it a form of healing? You use it to make yourself more healthy physically, which is an inner form of moving energy, or you can use the practice to heal other people as well as not only in close proximity, but through long distances like thousands of miles. In my own practice, I can help people to heal physically, spiritually, mentally, as well as emotionally from thousands of miles away from them. And on my website, you can see some examples of my healing work incorporating QiGong as well as aloha, or the unconditional love practiced by the ancient Hawaiians. It's my view that Qigong has tremendous health benefits, although there are very few studies to really back this up. Why do millions of people, not only in China, but in many, many other countries, practice Qigong or Tai Chi or yoga or meditation? Because they know that they feel much better and they can help others to also enjoy a more happy existence. Today there is a growing body of evidence that the practice of moving energy, or Qigong, or prana, yoga, mana, actually agree with science. And the bottom line is that these practices excite the photons or biophotons, which are small, invisible, minute subatomic particles of light that you can transmit not only by physical touch, but you can transmit through the air or through space throughout the world. Research is still ongoing into how Qigong can be a complementary treatment for very serious chronic conditions such as IBS, cancer, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's diseases, even though the evidence is at the moment quite anecdotal. As a master of medical Qigong and a Hawaiian kahuna healer, I highly recommend the practice of Qigong for your own benefit, as well as to help others to heal themselves. This is Master Zio. Thank you very much for being here with me today. Aloha.